friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually set up the Windows type look in the Realme Pad tablet. As you can see, even this is a Realme Pad which I'm trying to use right now, and this is the most requested question in my channel that asking me to make a video on this particular topic. The main reason is because previously I did upload a video on the Realme Pad with the keyboard and the mouse. In this video I did use the Windows type theme, and a lot of views. I did get plenty of comments. Can you please make a video how to convert it into the Windows type? As you can see friends clearly. As you can see, these are the comments which I'm getting. How did you use like a setup like PC? As you can see clearly. So that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video, that how you can actually convert your Realme Pad into look like the Windows type PC. That's what I'm going to exactly mention in this video. So right now I'll try to show you friends how you can actually get this kind of Windows type complete look. So all interface will change like this Windows type look as well. That's really good to see. So that's also another advantage, and few of them are it did integrate with this kind of theme, and few of them you need to download separately. So one quick note, always use the full screen mode. Don't use the button, use the full screen mode gestures. Try to go to the system and try to go to the gestures. I try to enable the full screen gestures, and also enable the assistive ball as well. This is another option which you're having here, which is really important, which gives you a lot of flexibility as well in terms of going backward. That's a main important point. You should definitely remember when you're trying to do this kind of setup. And first thing is that you need to go to the Play Store and you need to download the application which is called the Computer Launcher. This is the application which you need to download, friends. So once you download this launcher, automatically everything will be preset for you. Yes, automatically all the few of the shortcuts will be created, and few of the shortcuts you can actually create from the apps itself. And one thing, so after you install the launcher, try to download the wallpaper which is available from the Google Play Store. Not Google Play Store, maybe some other websites as well you can download, which is a Windows type launcher. Just type Windows 11 images. You can get from the Google, and you can download and you can set as a wallpaper. That gives you the really good look, which actually looks like the Windows type only. Yes, exactly. So most of the people, whenever they see my Realme tab, they will definitely think this is actually a Windows tablet, not the Android tablet. That's the kind of impression they do get whenever they see this kind of looks and everything. Font, as you can see, folders, and this kind of style and everything. So this is the one advantage which you're having in this Realme Pad device. And not only that, even few of the applications are works really good. For example, Google Chrome, which works fantastic using this kind of mouse and the keyboard combo, which works fantastic, as you can see clearly. So if you do the right click, same like the desktop. So you can do the right click and you can go to the new tab, as you can see exactly, which works completely fine. And the reason why I did ask this button, because if you want to go to the home screen, you can actually long press on that button and you can go to the home screen. And now I'll try to show you how to create the shortcuts. So these are the applications which I did install in my device, as you can clearly see. Now if I want to add this Amazon into the home screen, you just need to long press. Let me show you. Long press on that application, and now you can actually get the different options. Now select the option which is called the create shortcut. So when you try to click on the create shortcut, it will automatically create in the home page, as you can see exactly. Now you can actually move wherever you want. Let me try whether you can actually move or not. I don't think we can actually move. Let's see. Yes, you can actually move that wherever you want. Let me just show you. Long press with your hand and you can move that, as you can see exactly. Not only that, you can actually create multiple pages as well, multiple home pages in this way. You can actually create, try to long press here, and you'll get the option which customize wallpapers, add widgets. You can also add different widgets as well, and desktop pages you can actually add the desktop page. You can actually add different pages, as you can see. In this way you'll be able to customize easily, pretty much very simple. And in the bottom you do have the different column which will notify the signals, Wi-Fi, shortcuts, Bluetooth, volume, and the battery and percentage, as you can see exactly. All the shortcuts you are having exact in the same page. So those shortcuts also works exactly as accurate as possible. And when you try to click on the last button, it will show you all the shortcuts like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the flashlight, manual, data, location, and everything, as you can see, which will take you to the home page as well. That's another neat advantage which you are having here. And next thing is that whatever the recent applications you open, everything will be stored in the recent apps, which is a tab which is present in the bottom. So this is another advantage which you're having in case you want to use that recent apps. You can actually switch easily between the applications very fast. This application launcher, friends, which is available in the Play Store, you can download and you can install, and which works completely flawless in my device, not a problem at all. And That's it, friends. It is a small quick setup how you can actually do that in the Realme Pad, how to convert into the Windows type. So this is a really quick example. I hope you understood what is my point. And stay tuned for more updates. Definitely I'll try to do more videos on the Realme Pad very soon. So in case if you want me to cover any other topics, let me know in the comment section below on the Realme Pad what videos you want me to upload. Definitely I'll try to upload those videos as soon as possible on this tablet. See you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, try to check the playlist for more details. The playlist will give the clear idea what is going on with the Realme Pad. You can find all the videos in one single playlist. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.